Hi guys, welcome back to the part 3 from the AI prompt to published mobile application. Now, in this video, we will learn and we will see how does it actually the application is going to run in your phone. So in Android Studio, I have already connected my mobile with the help of USB cable. Now Android Studio is giving you the facility through the application so that you can directly from their Android Studio in there only, you can simply see the view of. And I will suggest you as an experience of my mobile application development, always try to run the application on your device. It's more better instead of waiting for the emulator and everything. So you can see a lot of errors and everything which will be there, which you can simply solve it. So what I will do, I'll simply select it here, my mobile, and as you can see, the code is the same only. It's all model and everything is there. Now what I will do, I will click on this run main dot. You can also use the help of Shift plus 10 to run the application. I'll just simply click on it. And as you can see, and if you don't know that how to connect your device and you can see this. So for that, I will make a separate video. In that, you can see that how that application is being run in the live device with the help of USB cable which is connected to your system. If you know it, then it's really good. If you're a beginner, then I will make another video on the same. Now I have already clicked it. So don't worry about all this warning because this is a restricted method and all these things will happen. That's not a big deal. And it's starting here like this, instance and everything. Now as you can see, the application has already started. Now once the application has started, it will be easy for you to see how does it actually behave. So now this is the application. You can simply add tasks. Like I can see I am working or need to work like that. And then click on add. Once you click on add, you can simply select on it. So it's already inactive, means is already gone. So as you can see, active is gone. But if it is inactive, so like see, you can see active. Now you can see if completed, nothing. Now what you can do, we come here, we click on it, completed. As you can see here. Now click on here, you can edit it also. If you want to cancel, cancel it. You want to delete it, you can simply delete it. And then also you have an option of the dark mode. Click on here, the dark mode. So like this, the application will be running over here. So this is the step here. We are going to see that how the actual application is running. Now you can enhance with the ChatGPT prompt, so many features if you want to see. So like this, the application is completely working. Now in this next video, we are going to see what are the prerequisites which we will need to make the application running into your Play Store, means how we are going to publish the application to the Play Store. So see you guys in another video. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos like this.